In this video, I will show you how to add products to Wix website. In order to do that right here, what you can do is you can head over right here to your catalog, click right here on your store products, and click on this products option right around here. After you have done that, you should be able to see in here any product that you have created in the past, and if you don't have any, it will actually just apply right there. So for example, let's head over and click on this new product option and click on this physical product. It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product. Now, after you have done that, as you can see right here, this will load in order to show you this form. So just title your product right around here. So for example, let's title it around t-shirt and then add in here an image that you want. Once you have added your image, next thing you need to do is you can head over and then just put in here in a ribbon or the description for this one. So let's head over and use in here AI in order to generate a description. Click on this create text right around here in order to create an edit text and click on this use text option. After you have done it, as you can see, it's been added. So let's close this. So let's scroll down and in here we have the pricing. So for example, let's put it around 999 and then it can be on sale or it can be not on sale. So you can also put in here the profit. So for example, it costs you around 100 to actually get it. So you have a margin of 89.99%. You can also add in here some custom text as well as product options. So let's put in here a list and let's put in here a size. Let's put in here the sizes that we can see on the screen. So it depends on you which size you want. You can add them all if you actually support all of them. Click on add option right here. And then as you can see, we have in here in stock option and then put in here the shipping weight. So let's put in here 0.3 kilograms. For the instruct, you can also track inventory. So let's track it at around 199 and then you can also allow it to be a pre-order. Once you're done with everything, click on the save option right here in order to save this particular product to your store.